What?
Where's your home phone?
Because ain't nobody.
What's up, bro? 3-time game. It's Aaron. What is happening? Show up. It's coming quick. I gotta whisper because he's right there. But he don't know it's coming, y'all. I'm about to prank that boy again. So today we doing this little video where we switch phones for 24 hours. But our phones we so dry. So you know anybody gonna text us. So thanks. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to change the contact information in my phone to a dude name. I'm naming him Josh. Or whatever, I'm about to change her name to Josh. Change her picture. I'm gonna look on Instagram and find a random boy picture. Change her picture to his picture. I don't put no picture at all. I ain't gonna put no picture at all. Should I put a picture? I might put a picture. But yeah, when he got, I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna text her over his phone and be like, go. When she texts, when I text her go, she gonna start texting him like, you know, texting me like, hey baby, what you doing? How you been? You know, you do whatever like that. So I'm ready. Y'all I'm about to go crazy. I cannot wait. So y'all, make sure before we go anywhere, comment down below. Team R&B. It's Team R&B all day long. Make sure y'all comment down below Team R&B because I'm about to get him. Once again, he can't outdo me. He can't. I promise y'all I ain't gonna laugh this time. Y'all think I'm gonna laugh? Comment on me. You gonna laugh, but I ain't gonna laugh this time. I promise y'all I ain't gonna laugh. Alright?
So basically right here, guys, what I'm doing is finding the picture of Josh so I could change Nick's contact name and picture to Josh. And this is gonna be Josh, y'all. We're gonna roll with it. What it do, Brown 3-time game? We are back with another lit video.
It's your boy Sean.
It's your girl Ira B. Say KB. It's your boy KB. And today our video is going to be, we just trading phones for 24 hours. So yeah, that is a challenge. We don't act like you don't act like you didn't know. We trading phones for 24 hours to see who phone be popping. Let's see who phone be popping. I already know that my phone ain't going on. That's you. Your phone be ringing all day, 24/7. So let's see what be going on.
I think it's the bunny, because you kept every time you got the on your ears.
Or whatever. I said it again. Y'all hear me talking about how I be saying, oh, whatever. I don't know. That's just like how I gotta finish my sentence.
She be like, oh, whatever, like that.
That's just how I finish my sentence. So, yeah. I was about to say it again. Y'all, this boy. What you doing? That's not your phone call. That is my phone call.
Our conversation.
I think that's my conversation.
Big facts.
Big facts what?
Y'all don't need to know. Hey, word of advice, if your girl ever mad at you, just randomly get her phone and change her wallpaper. She ain't gonna be mad no more. Especially if you look like this.
he thought I was like, whatever. Change it. Then he changed it back. He thought you was slick.
I didn't think that was cute.
It's alright or whatever.
There she go again.
Oh.
Oh, whatever, like that.
So let's make this interesting. He's gonna get us copyrighted. Oh, I got a text message 17 minutes ago. You must have turned your text messages off, so I didn't know he think he's slick because I didn't hear this phone ring, y'all. Let's see. Well, I don't know what they be talking about. Oh, it's not focusing. Who? You can't even see it on focus. What up, bro? What's up, bro?
I could have just turned the brightness down a little bit.
How you do that? Y'all, he be thinking he's slick.
Dang, why I ain't got my face scan
Oh,
on? So
got
you
it.
would have to walk up to me every time you try to get in.
Who is lit? He shouldn't have told me. So this is who texted him. And
For showing all my messages to these people.
what's up, bro? It's kind of not focused. I'm turn it up a little bit. There we go. What's up, bro? Chilling, eating, Ari booty. Woo! Text messages, buddy.
Who you text?
Don't it's not your phone.
You sound like you up to no good. You choked out over there.
Y'all ain't gonna kill me after this. You can't even see it.
What is that?
He's sweating though. He's sweating. You good?
Bro, ain't no way you just said that in that group, bro.
I sure did.
Where you sent that to?
Dip.
They gonna put that shit in a friend group message, bro.
Y'all. Oh, I'm waiting on them. I wrote shop. Uncle Sean don't even text like that.
I knew my boys was gonna know better than that.
Greg said that. CJ said Sean. TF. He like to say all my mama, so I'm about to put that. How he spell mama? Oh my mama. I'm ready to start sweet.
Alright, y'all. See what be popping on our Instagram. See a lot of y'all go get it for that. I think y'all can see. Let's see what be popping on our IG. In my page. Let me get myself a view right quick. Hair specials, more hair specials, kids dancing, bounce music, cute dolls. You should follow some cute dolls. Alright, this man here know the name. Oh, just got a miss. Bumps. Yeah, I'm good, babe. Hold on.
Why could you?
Ari. Come here. Yeah,
Don't call me
Ari.
Ivory, boy. Don't call me Ivory. What's
Who
up?
is that?
What? What you talking about?
Right here, talking about some what? Who is that?
Who is that?
I don't know. You talking about, hey, babe, how you doing today? You good, babe? How you doing today?
Why you texting people back? What are you doing?
Cause this is my phone. Hey, can you
Let me
stop
see.
grabbing the phone?
Let me
Who is this?
see. I don't know. Let me see.
Let me just smile so you know I ain't playing. Bro, who is this? you laughing? I ain't laughing.
Let me see. Let me
just-
see the.
you can see
Let me see
right
the number.
here.
They name say.
But the nigga got a picture, bro.
What?
I ain't. Do I even got? Hold on.
What?
I
don't
barely
know.
got a picture. Say, who is this? Hey, but how you doing? Why you taking so long to text back? Why niggas text back so soon? You know, we gonna see how he doing today, though. So
Let me see.
Why you calling me babe? All right, bro. You see. So you don't know who that is?
No.
Hey, you not just lie, bro. How you don't know who it is? That's your phone. I got your phone fixed for you.
You
to text
must have
another
put this
nigga?
person. Yeah, obviously.
I got your
Wait,
phone
what?
Fixed. I got your phone fixed so just so you can text another nigga.
No, I don't know who this is.
Find out. Call.
Call him.
Call.
What? No. Why am I calling? To say what?
Dude, I want to ask you. Call him. You don't know. Call him.
Okay. I called him.
Bro, stop playing with me.
Yeah, text back.
Bro, give me the phone. Hey, talk.
You,
Talk.
what?
Where's your honey phone?
Because ain't nobody. I gotta get he left. Babe. Babe. He really gone. Babe, look. Look at the number. Look at the number. Come see. Come look at the number. Look, you got Khalil coming out here. Come look at. So smack that thumbs up button. Look at the. Because look. That mean I got some random dude gonna let me have their location. For one. Look at the number. It's Neek number.
You don't need to play too damn well.
Comment team Irie B down below. Got him again. He was mad. You was mad. You still standing up. He was mad, y'all. Mad. Got him. Already got him. Can't handle it. He can't keep up with me. That's like number 3. He can't handle me. Y'all, make sure y'all like it on up, comment on down. Don't forget to hit that bell as well. Sean, I just need you to tell him one time. I just need you to tell him one time. What team it is?
You look, your grandma was sitting right there.
What team it is?
Oh, you see I threw that phone in the grave. I just paid for that mud.
What team it is?
I was about to slang that, but I had to think about it for a split second.
Tell him what team it is.
Team Sean, y'all
No, it ain't. No, it ain't. What team it is? Come on. What team it is?
Like that. Why he had to be a light skinned nigga?
I just Googled. Y'all, I'm so funny. I'm so funny. He looked like a Josh. That's funny, y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you, gang, for watching. Tune into our next video. We out.